Sunday morning. I got this call from this lady. I never worked for her before. She's got no heat. Sunday morning, she calls me about 6:30. She got no heat. Well, I told her it's gonna be some change going out there on a Sunday. So I asked her about what kind of system she got. She got oil there. And how long has it been since it's been serviced, I asked her. She said it's been a bit. So whatever that means, she probably hasn't had it serviced in a long time. But hopefully the power vent is running. This little complex that I'm going in, builders built it in. They put the power venters in because it's cheaper to do that than put a chimney in. A lot of these builders, they build these houses around here and they try to keep the price of the building down by putting in, inferior stuff like power venters instead of chimneys, and they make more money that way, right? They can get more money for the house, and they put less money into it. Typical builder, But yeah, all these I got power venters, oil fired, boilers with power venters. There's no gas in this area. So that's a lot of these areas that got oil, there's no gas in the streets. So, but anyway, we're gonna go over there and see if we can get heat going for her. Probably do, nozzle filter and make sure we're getting oil flow and do the regular stuff I usually do. I should be able to get it going for her.
Turn right at the traffic light.
I got a bunch of used parts in the truck. I stripped a bunch of oil burners that I had in the garage down, and sometimes I try to, I offer them the chance of getting used parts or new parts. Give them a little break on the money.
Turn left.
Kill two birds with one stone. I kind of use up the parts that I got hanging around. If I gotta take an old boiler out, and I mean it's got a good oil burner in there, I strip the parts off it and repurpose them, reuse them. Sell them to people, if they got an older system and they don't want to buy a new part, try to save a little half price on a part, I'll sell them the used shit. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots over there. Alright, the power venter runs. Run, don't run. Oh, there it goes. Keeps going out though, so we're gonna have to check the filter. Check the oil flow. Wow. 4 years.
And that's what it is, just starving for oil. Bleeding on the other side. That's bad. Vile slime. AFG. She's crusty, man. I don't know. Don't look bad. The head. That's going to be a 60 or 45 on this type of head. .60-degree nozzle or 45-degree nozzle. Bleed the pump and it should be ready to go. She's firing up okay. Let me set them electrodes a little bit here. Alright, let's see what I get for oil flow here. Once it starts, I'll jump this out. Gonna be airing it because it was dirty. It was airing the filter, right? And gotta get all that air out. Look at that jumped out, so it's not gonna trip out. Good flow on it. All the air out. Should be good to go. No oil on this one. No oil. Running clean, no oil. No filter or tank, no nozzle, clean burner head, good oil flow through pump, zero smoke, no oil on power venter.